Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial with your instructional technology specialist, Leslie Johnson. So today let's explore how we can create breakout rooms using Google Calendar. Now first you want to create the event by either clicking the Create button in the left corner, or you can choose a specific date and click on that date, and that's going to prompt the event to come out. Give your event a title. So this is our example meeting. You can choose to add a specific time. You can choose if you want it to be all day, or you can change the time zone. You can choose if you want it to repeat. All of those normal Google Calendar options are there for you. Now, when we start adding guests, you will see what happens. You need to use the entire email address there. And you'll see that we have these guest permissions. So if you want them to be able to modify the event, that means they can invite others and see the guest list. I think since these are student accounts, I just want them to see the guest list and nothing else. And if that's what you always want to do, you can set that as the default. Otherwise, invite others and see the guest list will always be your default settings. Now, because we added guests, it already knows that we want them to join using Google Meet. So it's populated a Meet code for us. Now, when we click on the tiny triangle, we can see the meeting ID. We can add a live stream if you need to, but where we're going to find those breakout rooms is in that setting cog. So when you click that, first it gives you the host controls so you can turn on or off that quick access. But breakout rooms is the next option. So it's already thinking, okay, you want 2 rooms, and it's given a breakout room to each student. And just like in Google Meet, I can change the name of my breakout room to just be room 1, room 2. Now, these participants aren't going to see this until they are in the Google Meet. But once you've got that ready, go ahead and click Save. If you need to add a location or add a description or any attachments, you can do that as well. But once you're ready, you click that Save button, and then it's just going to ask, would you like to send an invitation to your guests? And I would always click Yes, Send. So it's going to send that to them, and we can see our example meet is on the calendar. When you click on it, you'll see that you are in fact going. And once these students respond, you'll see either the green check mark or the red X or question mark, depending on their answer. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any other questions or video suggestions, please let me know. And thanks for watching.